Day 3, Excursion Diversion, and look at this. Look at this patheticness. Senna. I'm a prisoner.
I'm a prisoner.
I'm a prisoner. I can't get in the front seat with Mommy and Daddy. And you. Where are we going, babe?
Charleston.
That's right, yep.
For 2 days.
2 days, yeah. We got a late start on videos because the first 3 days of the trip was actually work-related. We're on our way now to true excursions and diversions, so stay tuned.
Fun.
Magnolias, delicious. Best fried chicken ever. Here we are, Charleston. We're at Henry's on the Market. We're on the second level down. What an interesting place. Quite a few levels. Good bourbon. What do you think? A lot of horses around.
I'm drinking water. Day drinking.
Day drinking
not
again.
Not for me.
I'll survive.
Beautiful. It turned out to be a gorgeous day. We left the dogs with the air conditioning on back at the RV park.
And the neighbors are notified, so if anything happens, we'll be good. That's it. That's all I got to report right now. We're going down to the waterfront. There he is. There's Senator parking, and there's a dedicated RV parking area over my shoulder. There's probably 10 or 11 spaces.
Correct.
And they're long. For full-size RVs, there's a little shorty one right there.
For like us.
That's for like a LTV or something like that. That's looking good. And there you go, big space, indoor. Or under the roof, not indoor.